We can always bucket some more water over.
I'm gonna do that. I'll just go to the other one.
You don't want to move the river?
No. This stuff is weird.
It's really
mostly clay.
soupy, huh?
Yep. I have not found any more crystals though. Like that one pan I got.
Yeah.
That was cool. For all I know, it's a piece of glass. But it was shaped like a crystal, so I doubt it. Oh yeah. There's a huge ball of mercury. See it?
Yep.
And since I don't have well, I do have a second bottle, but I don't have it with me, I'm just going to put it in the same one.
So you don't put it back in the water?
Yep. I miss my square gold pan though.
Your square one?
Yeah, I had a square gold pan. It was awesome for one-handed panning. It was green. I don't remember who made it. I wish I did. But last time I went on the internet to look, I couldn't find any. So I'd imagine they stopped making them. Then there is a company that has a square gold pan now, and they're like $200-300.
Whew.
But they also act like a sluice.
Yeah.
So you just shake them back and forth and kind of do a lot of the work for you. There's speed pan. I won't say the company name. If you want to send me one and sponsor me, that'd be great.
That's a hint, hint.
No, that's it.
It's raining.
Everywhere but where we're at.
Uh-huh. We found a nice dry spot, huh?
Minus the light switch. Where are you not supposed to be in a lightning storm?
Under the trees.
Oh, okay.
But it's nice and dry.
Yes. Don't worry, it hasn't managed to kill me yet.
Yeah, but third time might be 3 strikes, you're out.
Just bury me under here. There's a lot of little pockets of stuff in here. That's not a bad idea. Somebody was on the right track, they just gave up. It's definitely nice to have a power nozzle right about now. Because some of these cracks are pretty tight. Well, we'll follow the rules.
Yes, blue skies. Stop raining.
Does the water help?
I don't know. It's there. We'll believe you.
Okay. It's a start. At least I found it. So.
You get it?
I think so.
What's that little flake? We might have enough for dinner if we wanted to start collecting them.
Oh, we gotta let them grow up.
They're little.
I think you got tired of backing up.
Mm-hmm. He says I give up.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Oh, go over there, buddy. Oh. There you go.
Did he go?
Yeah, he's good.
Go in the water. There he goes.
Resilient, aren't they? Considering there was no water here this morning.
Yep.
All right, little guy. Time for you to go. Go. Be free.
What did you find?
Javelina skull.
Yeah, that's cool.
Mm-hmm. They look better dead. Yeah, that stuff is packed in there so tight.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yep. Put it in the water.
Okay.
Get a bunch of water in there and run your fingers through it. Got to finger it till you get it all wet.
Don't say that to me. I knew where you were going with that.
And then once you're pretty sure that it's all wet, you can put it back in the water and shake it back and forth. Got to make sure you shake it harder than that. Your boobs have got to be flying.
Stop. And I get the water out, right?
Nope. Put it back down in there. Just shake it side to side, keep it flat. And if you're not comfortable using one hand, you can use both. There you go. Now, tip your pan forward, not too much, and then dip the pan 3 times. Yep, just like that. See how it's taking that lighter layer of stuff off the top? You can do it a little more aggressive than that. But now shake it back. There you go.
And do the same thing
Yep.
in here?
And then just tip it forward a little bit, dip it, let the water run in and run back out. Run in, run back out. There you go.
And 3 times.
Yeah, I usually do it about 3. And then shake it back, get it full of water, shake it back. Yep. And then dip it on the angle. You can do it a little harder than that so it like takes that top layer right off. Yep. And then shake it back. Yeah, and just keep doing that until you get it down to the black sand, and then we'll switch sides. Another good way to practice is to take apart a shotgun shell.
Oh, yeah.
And take the little BBs and stick them in there. You don't lose, you know, if you got 10 BBs in there and you don't lose them, you're doing it right.
Well.
But try and find the lead ones. I don't like doing it with the steel ones. 'Cause lead is closer to gold.
Yeah.
So you might have to find an old shotgun shell or whatever. And dispose of your lead properly, of course.
It's like clunk, clunk.
Because in that one video you took of me, I thought it was a piece of mercury. And it actually turned out to be a piece of steel shot.
Yeah.
But it was very smashed.
Well, I'm down to
All right. Well, you can swirl it around and see what you got.
probably nothing.
I see something shiny in there.
A couple more.
It's floating on you. Let's see.
It's like a...
What is that? Is that a piece of gold?
No.
If it's a flat one, it could be.
This?
Yeah. Nope, it's not.
Nope.
You want me to do it?
Yes. I want you to finish
Here.
it.
Okay. You take that. I think that's that garbage can.
Oh, maybe.
Let's see what we got here.
I want to see how you do this last little bit here.
You got a good size rock in there.
Yeah. Is that a garnet? No.
It could be. Whatever it is, it's staying in there. Yeah, I think it is. It's like mixed though.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have a little bit right here. It's really fine.
Is that what that is?
Yep, it's extremely fine.
I can see it.
So we will
So I didn't lose everything?
use a snuffer bottle. No, you did good. No, it's when the people are impatient, and there's another piece there.
Oh, I'm not impatient. Oh,
See
yeah.
how that all stays?
Yep. Yeah, I'm not impatient. Sometimes I might take too long.
No. No, you did good.
It's because I have a good teacher.
I don't know about that. Okay, I think we got it.
Right on.
Yep.